So guys, just want to say to you guys, if you're new to my channel, just I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome. I hope you guys are finding value, and it's good to be doing another video for you guys. So what I want to share with you guys today is basically just an update. So remember when I used to share with you guys how I earn with the money making app Cash, Bitcoin Cash giveaway, and also Litecoin giveaway. Now my screen recorder is not allowing me to record those apps anymore. So just want to say to you guys that I will be earning with those money making app, but I will be unable to share with you. So once I do the weekly update on my daily earnings, I will share with you guys how much I've cashed out from those. So yeah. So after I did that, I want to share with you guys what happened today. So remember the other day I shared with you guys that I did go ahead and earn from this money making app called Paid Point Pay Paid Viewpoint, right? And I shared with you guys that once I did a survey about a few months ago, and then I haven't done any more survey. So today what happened? um I just start two survey popped up on my phone. So the last survey I did before I did that video was in February the 26th, and I earned 10 cents. So yes guys, it was a short survey, right? And so today you can see, which is June the 2nd, I did go ahead and actually earn a 48 cents in one survey. Another survey, I did go ahead and earn 72 cents. So that's I've those two survey bring my total to $10.47. So if I go to my earnings, you guys can see how much. So the minimum to cash out is $15. Just want to share that with you guys so you guys can understand, right? So you're only $4.53 away from your cash out, and this money making app cash out in US dollars. So once I cash out, I will be earning more in Canadian dollars. So yes guys, so this is all the money making app looks. So just want to share that with you guys. They do have a invite program, so let me just go over there. They do have a invite, basically a link. I will leave that in the description down below for you. The next thing that I want to say to you guys is that I have 7 referrals, but I haven't earned from any one of my referrals. So you guys can see all of them are on 0. So I just earned by myself. You can see that on one of my survey money making app, it says a dollar pending right here. So you guys can see November the 17th, 2024. There's a dollar pending right there. But I haven't received any. So just want to keep all that into consideration. So yes, guys, and pending, none here. So just want to keep all those into consideration, guys. I really appreciate you guys for just signing up and earning with me. So yes guys, know what I want to do. I actually want to go into the money making app for you guys, which is called, so okay, first thing I want to share with you guys, I'm not going to go into the money making app because it's just going to make the video a little bit longer. What I want to say to you guys is just a tip when you're earning with money making apps. So let's say you're earning with money making apps and your phone shut off. You can see this is my notification screen. Once I pull down the top bar of my screen, this is all the notification, and you can see here that I have like the the pocket, like the pre-pocket money making app. I have the Winwalk. I have like Honeygain. Even though Honeygain is not been doing well, but I'm still just using the money making app because it's still earning slowly, but it's getting there. Then I have Cashwalk. I also have the money making app Sweatcoin, and I also have the Amino Walk money making app as well. So you can see that these are the money making app that is running right now. So once my phone has been off, because sometimes my phone run very hot and then it's just closed off, or maybe the battery died overnight for just playing music or something. What I do is basically just go on the the money making app, which I know that should be there, but it's not there. So one of them is called Peer to Profit. So I will open it and then I'll toggle that on share internet. I'll show you guys after. The next one is the Bytes Layer money making app. I will click that one and I will turn it on as well. So yeah. So once those two has been turned on, I will go ahead and share to you guys how it looks. So you can see the Bytes Layer is there. I have a balance of $4.12. A reason being because I have so much cash out is because what happened is they changed their cash out minimum to $5, so I have to wait. So don't know if they had changed it back or anything. I didn't look. I um just decided to continue to earn, and let's see what happened. And then the pair to profit, you can see it right here. That is also running as well. The pair to profit is earning very slow. The Honeygain app is also earning very slow as well, but I did go ahead and actually just leave both of them since there's something uh, just coming from the app. If I'm not earning, then I'll just close the app. But once there's something coming, if it's even very small, I will keep the money making app and actually just keep on earning what I have to earn. So yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys. So yes, guys. So just want to say, guys, if you're new to earning and you're thinking about earning money making apps, that's what I do here. I share it to you guys, so I personally do that with get paid to sites and money making app just by using my cell phone only. So yes, guys. Uh, so before I go, just want to say always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.